The next declaration is from the Honourable Swart in the chamber.
Thank you, House Chair. House Chair, the ACDP wishes to thank the Honourable Bergman for raising this issue. As other speakers have indicated, property owners and residents in Alberton have been complaining since 2011. That's 9 years about the illegal occupation of this property. Now, the Executive Mayor undertook to resolve the matter, and there are obviously issues relating to illegal drug sales, illegal accommodation, etc., and this was welcomed by the committee. However, the committee has decided to hear from all the parties in the matter. Now, maybe a similar consensus can be achieved, as was early indicated in another Alberton matter, and we as the ACDP appreciate that all parties are going to be considered and heard, but we are concerned that on the face of it, there appears to be a valid eviction court order, and that is not being implemented. Either you respect the rule of law or you don't. If the eviction order was improperly obtained, it can be set aside. And in addition, the Gauteng MEC for Human Settlements, Mr. Maila, recently said there's been a notable and concerning increase in illegal land invasions since the lockdown was announced. This mainly because no one could be evicted during the initial lockdown period. Illegal land invasions cannot be allowed. And what makes this case worse is that it goes back 9 years. Now, it's important that if we are to abide by the rule of law, let us remember what the then Chief Justice-elect, Pius Longa of the Constitutional Court said. Whilst not ignoring the plight of the homeless, he said land invasions are a matter that threatens far more than private rights of a single property owner. Because of their capacity to be socially inflammatory, they have the potential to have serious implications for stability and public peace. Failure by the state to act in an appropriate manner in circumstances would mean that case, Modiclip and others similarly placed, could not look to the state and its organs to protect them from invasions of their property. That would be a recipe for anarchy. That is what the Constitutional Court has said. Either you respect court decisions and the Constitution or you don't. Now, that matter was resolved and the court ordered an amicable resolution. But of greater importance is the rule of law was upheld, the cornerstone of our constitutional democracy. And we trust that the same will be done in this matter. Court orders cannot and should not be ignored. I thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Member.